Got another short ride and review for you today. I am going to Mr. Paradise. Mr. Paradise is a East Village bar, very well known for their incredible burger. But I'm going here because they have restarted their Paradise Prime, which is when they offer prime rib. It's basically an all-in meal. You get sides, desserts, nice roasted prime rib. Yeah, that burger though, it's great. It's got a dry aged patty, a lot of flavor. Cheese is just incredible. They got great cocktails here. They do a good martini. They do like tiki drinks, really fun stuff. Yeah, here we go. Oh, perfect. There's a bike fucking thing right here. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside.
Let's get slow motion. You got some slow motion steam. Yeah, but I don't think we're getting might lose a finger.
That was great prime rib. You saw we got like shrimp cocktail with it, salad, desserts. I like that it's all in, perfectly cooked, just how I like it. Nice piece of cap around the edge where all that flavor is on the edge of a prime rib. I highly recommend this place. The guys that run the joint, they're really fun, they're good people, so I like to support. Make sure you reserve it quick because they fill up spots fast. Jump out to the website, JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com, for the full review. Tell your friends, tell your fucking grandma.